In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect an Xbox One controller to your PC. Now this guide will cover both wireless and wired Xbox One controllers, so no matter which type of Xbox One controller you have, you'll be able to learn today exactly how to connect it to your PC. And I'm going to start with connecting a wireless controller. To do that, you first open up your PC and then click the Windows button. From there, you can type in Bluetooth, and you should be able to see this option at the top, which is Bluetooth and other device settings. So click on that, and that will actually open up this window here, and here we can see all the Bluetooth and other devices which are connected to our PC. Now since we're trying to connect our Xbox One controller, we can go ahead and click Add Bluetooth or other device, and then from there we have three options. But since our Xbox One controller is Bluetooth, we're going to choose the top option. Now from here we want to make sure our device is turned on and discoverable. So to start with, we're going to hold down the Xbox button on our controller, and you should see the light turn on and start flashing slowly. This tells us that our Xbox controller is turned on. Now to make it Bluetooth discoverable, we should look at the top of the Xbox controller, and you'll find a small button with 3 lines next to it. So go ahead and hold that down, and you should now notice that the speed of the light on your Xbox controller has now sped up. This tells us that it is now searching for a Bluetooth device. Now my PC doesn't actually support Bluetooth, which is why you're not seeing the Xbox One controller pop up here. However, if your PC does support Bluetooth, you'll be able to see it pop up in this list, and you can simply select it to confirm that you do want to connect to it. And from there, you'll be able to find it in this list down here. Now, if you have a wired Xbox One controller, it does make this process a lot easier, because all you have to do is connect it to your PC and then connect it to your Xbox One controller. Now, my Xbox One controller actually has a USB-C slot, so that means I'll need a USB to USB-C cable. So in order to connect it, I can plug the USB end into my computer, and then plug the other end into your Xbox controller. So I'm going to do that now, and you should hear a noise and see a pop-up appear to confirm that it is connected. From there, the light coming out of the Xbox logo on your controller should stop flashing and should turn to a solid colour. This will indicate that our Xbox is on and connected, and it's now ready to use. We can now load up any game that we want to play, and as you can see, we can now move around and control the game using our Xbox controller. If it is your first time using an Xbox controller on your PC, I'd recommend to go into the settings of whatever game you're playing and look for the options related to your controller. This is because you might be used to playing with different type of presets, and you may be used to different binds than what's shown here. So I'd take a look through all of your settings and just make sure everything matches exactly what you want, because otherwise you're probably going to find out mid-game, and that is just pretty inconvenient. So that's how you can connect an Xbox One controller to your PC. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say it helped you out. Thanks for watching.